Dear students, Namaste. Let us discuss the new pharmaceutical chemistry topic for diploma second year students. And the name of the topic drugs acting on ANS. What is the long form of ANS? ANS means autonomic nervous system. If you see the video or the image on that screen, it's showing releases of some neurotransmitters from neurons, that is the diagram of neuromuscular junction or release of some chemicals. It's showing that drugs acting on ANS means the autonomic nervous system that activate the autonomic activities, especially heart rate, pulse rate, blood pressure, respiration rate. These all activities are controlled by this ANS, that is autonomic nervous system. So let us discuss what are the learning outcomes. Number one, define and classify different subtypes of ANS. Then second one is draw the different structures which is present in the syllabus or available in syllabus, that is adrenaline, non-adrenaline, acetylcholine, atropine and all. Recall the properties and their uses and understand the brand names and the various dosage form of the formulations or preparations available in market along with their storage condition. So dear students, ANS is generally divided into two parts. Number one is SNS, that is sympathomimetics, and second one is the PSNS, that is parasympathomimetics system. That sympathetic nervous system is divided into two parts, that is sympathomimetics and sympatholytics, whereas parasympathomimetics is divided into parasympathetic nervous system is divided into two parts, parasympathomimetics and parasympatholytics. Now let us discuss the first. What are the subtypes of ANS? Number one is sympathomimetics that stimulate the sympathetic nerves. Example is adrenaline, isoprenaline. Sympatholytics that blocks the action produced by SNS. Number three, parasympathomimetics that stimulate the parasympathetic nerves. And last one is the parasympatholytics that blocks the PSS. So these are the four subtype or subtopics which we will cover in the these drugs acting on ANS. Let us discuss one by one. So first one is, what do you mean by parasympathomimetics? Parasympathomimetics, it is also called as adrenergic drugs that stimulate the sympathetic nerves. These are the classifications: catecholamines, non-catecholamines, and imidazole derivatives. As per the nucleus which is present in that structure, it is divided into three parts, sorry. Catecholamines, non-catecholamines, and imidazole. The examples is adrenaline, non-adrenaline, isoprenaline. Second is non-catecholamine, that is phenylephrine, salbutamol, terbutaline, ephedrine, pseudoephedrine. Imidazoline derivatives, naphtazoline and tetrahydrazoline. So these are the different examples under this sympathomimetics. Remember, dear students, sympatho indicates sympathomimetic system or sympathetic nervous system, and mimetics means similar. So that's why the definition is simple: stimulation of sympathetic nerves. Now let us discuss the first structure under this sympathomimetics is adrenaline, and this is the structure of adrenaline. According to IUPAC name, आपण सुरुवातीला त्याला काय करतो, numbers करतो. So number the structure first. This is the basic nucleus, and that basic nucleus containing ethanol. Two carbons and OH group is attached. That's why we call it ethanol. Then substitutes, which is phenoxy, and there is a two hydroxyl groups are also present. Number 3 and number 4 positions. So that's why we call that is 2,3-dihydroxyphenyl, and the remaining is 2-methylamine, NH and CH3. So that's why the chemical name is 1 into bracket. See this one, त्या 1 ला directly dihydroxyphenyl ची ring attach झालेली आहे म्हणून 1 into bracket 3,4-dihydroxyphenyl bracket complete 2 methyl, that is CH2, methyl amino, and the basic parent nucleus is ethanol. So this is the chemical name of adenine. This is the important structure. एक्झाम मध्ये विचारतात कुठला न्यूक्लियस प्रेझेंट आहे, तर हे स्ट्रक्चर व्यवस्थित कर. The next part is what is the properties of adrenaline. These are the different properties, uses, preparation, and the brand names. Uses containing asthma, heart block, allergic conditions. तुम्ही जर कोलोजेशी कंपेअर केलं तर adrenaline is available in emergency kit because it's used in type, large different diseases or maybe more diseases. So it is available in injection, eye drop, and spray. Out of the brand names is Adrenar and non-adrenaline. So this is detailed about adrenaline. Now let us discuss the next non-adrenaline. This is the structure of non-adrenaline. Numbers करूयात आपण त्याला आणि त्यानंतर structure decide करूया. So there is only absence of CH3 compared with this structure of adrenaline, and the chemical name is in front of you. There is no difference between two. Ethanol is also present. 1,3-dihydroxy phenyl is present, but there is absence of one CH3 group in this N side. So that's why we call non-adrenaline is the absence of methyl group. Now this another structure is ephedrine or isoprenaline. This is the chemical name of isoprenaline. If you see, the substitutes is only at amino group 2 isopropyl फक्त ऍड झालेलं आहे, बाकी सगळं स्ट्रक्चर सेम लाईक ॲड्रेनालिन आहे. सो जस्ट कंपेअर द डिफरन्स बिटवीन 2-3. नंबर्स करूयात आपण. नंबर्स केल्यानंतर हे लक्षात येईल तुमच्या. द नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर इज इफिड्रीन 2 मिथाइल amino 1 phenyl propanol. This is the structure of ethanol. Consider this 2 methyl or NHCH3. त्यामुळे अमायनो ग्रुप आपण म्हणतोय. CH3 ला मिथाइल अमायनो ग्रुप नंबर 2 पोझिशनला आहे. त्यानंतर एक नंबरला फिनाइल अटॅच झालेला आहे आणि प्रोपॅनॉल बेसिक न्यूक्लियर मीन्स प्रोपेनॅनॉल म्हणजे इथेनॉल. 3 कार्बन आणि OH ग्रुप तो पॅरेंट न्यूक्लियस आहे. Now the next part is salbutamol. This is another example of sympathomimetics. These are the properties, these are the preparations, uses, and brand names of salbutamol. You pause this video and write it in your notebook. Now the next is sympatholytics. It is also called as adrenergic drug. It is also called as adrenergic antagonist. It is also called as adrenolytics or adrenergic blockers. कुठल्याही नावाने तुम्हाला एक्झाम मध्ये क्वेश्चन विचारू शकतात. दिस इज टोटली अपोजिट टू द sympathomimetics. That blocks the action or stimulation of sympathetic nerves. जे स्टिम्युलेशन झाल्यानंतर ब्लॉक्स करायचं काम हे ड्रग्स करत असतात. सो दॅट्स वाय दिस इज टोटली अपोजिट टू दिस sympathomimetics. What is classification? This is the classification. Alpha adrenergic, beta adrenergic blockers. These are the different examples of sympatholytic drugs. Alpha adrenergic blockers that blocks the alpha receptor, beta adrenergic blockers that blocks the beta receptor, and adrenergic neuron blockers that blocks the neuron or release of adrenaline. Bonded, these are the examples. So this is the different examples under sympatholytics. Now let us discuss the structure of propanol. It is a beta blocker, popular drug. See, this is the structure and this is the numbering. That ring containing naphthoxyl and this presence of isopropyl amino group. So that's why the chemical name is 1 isopropyl amino 3 into bracket 1 naphthoxy propanol or 2NO means 2 means the presence of hydroxyl group at position number 2. हा 1 2 3 रेड कलर्स मध्ये दिसत आहेत, तर आपण पॅरेंट न्यूक्लियस सिलेक्ट केलेला आहे. The next, what is the theory or the properties, uses, preparation and brand names of this propanol? तुम्ही नोटबुक मध्ये लिहून घ्या आणि एक्झामच्या प्रिपरेशन साठी MCQ असेल तर तुम्हाला हे खूप गरजेचं आहे. The next part is parasympathomimetics. It is also called as cholinergic drugs. These stimulate the parasympathomimetic stimulations. And these are the examples: cholinesterase, acetylcholine, carbacholine, anticholinesterase, physostigma and neostigma. These are the classification. Then third class is the natural alkaloids. Example is pilocarpine. This is the classification of parasympathomimetics or cholinergic drugs. Let us discuss structure of neostigmine 3. See, this is 3, 3 into bracket 2 dimethyl carbamyl oxyl with the presence of position number 1 ला 3 मिथाइल ग्रुप आहेत म्हणून N trimethyl aniline. So this is the structure of neostigmine. The next part is what is the theory behind this properties, uses, preparation and brand names. Dear students, always remember properties तुम्ही लिहिताना color order test and solubility वरती जास्त focus द्यायला पाहिजे. In the uses, these are the uses, preparations, and this is the brand name of neostigmine. Next is the physostigmine. These are the properties, uses, preparation, and brand names. White powdery, odorless, bitter in taste, insoluble in water. Uses, it is used in glaucoma, poisoning, miotics. Especially anticholinergic drugs हे eye drops मध्ये जास्त असतात. Mydritic and miotics मध्ये वापरले जातात. So the next point is last topic of this drugs acting on ANS, parasympatholytics, totally opposite to the parasympathomimetics that blocks the stimulation of parasympathetic nervous stimulation. So this is the classification: natural alkaloids and synthetic compounds. Atropine, hyoscine, homatropine. Synthetic compounds: propanthalline, dicyclomine, benztropine and piperidine. हे जनरल ड्रग्स अँटीस्पाझमोटिक्स म्हणून यूज केले जातात. हे जनरल ड्रग्स अँटी मस्कॅरेनिक म्हणून सुद्धा यूज केले जातात. So this is the theory behind the first drug under parasympatholytics is atropine, and that atropine, the property is colorless crystal, odor taste, solubility बघा शकता तुम्ही. अँटीस्पाझमोटिक्स मी मगाशी यूज सांगितला. अँटीस्पाझमोटिक्स म्हणून यूज करता डायरिया, पॉयझनिंग, मायड्रायटिक्स मध्ये यूज केलं जातं. स्पेशली टॅबलेट, ऑइंटमेंट, इंजेक्शन आणि कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ मॉर्फिन इंजेक्शन फॉर्म मध्ये अवेलेबल आहे. These are the different brand names which is available in markets: Atrotas, Atrovel and Uterem. Now the next is what is the structure of atropine. So this is the structure of atropine. So there is presence of phenyl ring, CO double bond and OH. The last part is some different drugs which is usually anticholinergic drugs: homatropine, benzatropine, piperidine and hyoscine. These are the properties, their uses, pharmaceutical preparation, and the brand names of these drugs. Take the screenshot or pause this video and write in your notebook, which will help you for your MCQ as well as written theory exam also. So this is all about today's drugs acting on ANS. Especially this is chemistry related topics. खूप साऱ्या स्टुडंटचे कमेंट्स होतात सर प्लीज अपलोड द व्हिडिओज रिगार्डिंग द फार्मास्युटिकल केमिस्ट्री टू. सो दॅट्स वाय हा व्हिडिओ आपण अपलोड केलेला आहे. रिमेनिंग 6 टॉपिक्स राहतात त्याचेही व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला टॉपिक वाईज इथून पुढच्या काळात मिळून जातील. थँक्यू सो मच. काही डाऊट्स असतील चॅटबॉक्समध्ये जरूर कमेंट्स करा आणि अजूनही चॅनल सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर प्लीज सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू वन्स अगेन.